Hello everybody and welcome to your channel Scholars Point. Friends, today we will study about the types of neuroglial cells or glial cells. In nervous system, as we learned previously, there are two types of cells are there. Nerve cells means neuron, and second type glial cells or neuroglial cells. Neurons are structural and functional units of the nervous system. They are the main cells and longest cells in the body, but these are the smaller cells and supporting cells. Neuroglial cells are small and supporting cells or somewhat nutritive cells, sometimes secretory cells, which have importance. As compared to neurons, means nerve cells, the number of neuroglial cells is much more in our nervous system, means neuroglial cells forming much larger bulk of our nervous system. Okay friends, now in this video we will study about the different types of neuroglial cells found in CNS, PNS and ANS, means central, peripheral and autonomous nervous system. Okay, then we will study about the first type, oligodendrocytes. These are somewhat spherical, means rounded cells with few branches. Suppose this is a oligodendrocyte, somewhat rounded cells located nearby the axons of the multipolar neurons in central nervous system, and they secrete the myelin sheath which exists around the axon, which present around the axon. Okay, but oligodendrocyte secretes myelin sheath around the axons of central neurons, means the neurons found in central nervous system, not in peripheral nervous system. Okay, oligodendrocytes are the somewhat spherical cells with few branches. They form myelin sheath around the central axons, means axons of central nervous system, means brain and spinal cord in CNS, which forming, and as the myelin sheath is formed around the axon, it is appear in white color, because these myelinated axons appear in white color and the cyton, means cell body, appear in gray color. Cytons forming gray matter and myelinated axons in central nervous system forming white matter. Okay, which means the myelinated axons of central nervous system forming white matter of the CNS. Myelin sheath is an insulating sheath and made up of protein and fatty substance. Okay, which allow quick transmission of impulses. Impulses transmit from this end to another end very rapidly, but here conduction occurs in a rapid manner. Here when the impulse coming from dendron to cyton, then axon, then from here the jumping action occurs, and in this way impulse conduction occurs very swiftly, rapidly or quickly because of the myelin sheath, and that is essential for central nervous system for quick response. Okay, this is all about the oligodendrocyte, helping in formation of myelin sheath around the axons of central neurons. Then second type, microglia or brain macrophages. Macrophages are derived from monocytes. Monocytes become large and they develop scavenging function, means engulfing function. They engulf or swallow the cellular debris present in any type of injury occurred in central nervous system. Okay, and microglia means brain macrophages are like this. They have a branches and small size cells. These are small size cells with few branches. They derived from monocytes and acts as a macrophages or acts as a scavengers. Here they can act as scavenger, means they engulf, swallow and destroy the cellular debris if formed in the central nervous system. They reach the site of the injury and engulf dead neurons and cell debris if present in the CNS. Okay, that is why they are the scavengers of CNS. Okay, and they performing cleaning function. They clean out any type of cellular debris develops in CNS. Okay, this is all about microglia. Then third type of cell, microglial cell, neuroglial cell is a astrocytes. Aster means star. These are star-shaped cells. Here, look here. Okay, these are, aster means star-shaped cells. Astrocytes are most abundant glial cells of CNS. Means they contribute huge number in glial cells of CNS. Among all types, means neuroglial cells of central nervous system, they are in large proportion. Okay, that is why they are most abundant glial cells of CNS. Roles. What are the roles of the astrocytes? They playing much important role here. First role is secretion and absorption of neurotransmitter. They help in secretion and absorption of neurotransmitter. Then second function, maintenance of blood brain barrier, BBB, means the material which is required by the brain, means nervous tissue of the central nervous system, only that is provided. The non-important material present in the blood not taken, harmful material present in the blood not taken by the nervous tissue, and that is why they maintain the astrocytes play important role in maintaining blood brain barrier. Okay, and in this way they prevent the supply of harmful substances to the nervous tissue. Third, regulate transmission of electrical impulses within the brain. They regulate the transmission of impulses within the brain. Okay, and fourth function is, it is probably they provide nutrition to the nervous tissue. That is not mentioned here, but they may have a role in providing nourishment to the brain cells or CNS. Okay, in this way these are the three cells: oligodendrocytes, microglia or brain macrophages, and third one is astrocyte. Now fourth type of cell, neuroglial cells present in CNS only, that is the ependymal cells. Ependyma, it indicates epidermis. They are epidermal cells located on the basement membrane, and they found in single layer because it is a simple epithelium, modified simple epithelium some type. The cells are either flat, means squamous, or columnar, or sometimes ciliated also, and arranged in a single layer, unilayered. These are epithelial cells forming the inner lining of the ventricles, means brain cavities, as well as central canal located in the spinal cord. Okay, and what is the role? The main role is production and circulation of the CSF, cerebrospinal fluid, in brain ventricles as well as in central canal of spinal cord. Because brain ventricles and central canal of spinal cord filled with a CSF that is produced by and circulated by ependymal cells, which is a type of epithelial cells found in brain ventricles and central canal. Okay, location CNS only, not in PNS. Then the remaining two cells, neuroglial cells, Schwann cells and satellite cells, are located in peripheral nervous system and not in central nervous system. Okay, here Schwann cells, these are the flat, somewhat oval or elongated cells, or sometimes flat cells, located on either side of the axon. These are the elongated or oval or sometimes flat cells found around axon of PNS, peripheral nervous system. Okay, Schwann cells are most abundant cells of PNS, means these are the cells, most abundant cells. Astrocytes are most abundant cells of CNS, and Schwann cells are most abundant cells of PNS. These are elongated or oval cells found around the axon of PNS, peripheral nervous system. Schwann cells are most abundant cells of PNS. Role, they produce myelin sheath or medullary sheath around the axons of PNS, not of CNS. Okay, means oligodendrocytes forming myelin sheath around the axons of neurons of CNS, and Schwann cells forming myelin sheath around the axons of PNS, peripheral nervous system. Okay, and this is the diagram representing or figure representing the location of the Schwann cells diagrammatically. Okay, they are located in PNS. Now the last type of sixth type of neuroglial cell is a satellite cell. Satellite cells are very small sized, somewhat flattened cells found around the cyton, means cell body. Suppose this is the cell body, and around which cells, small flat cells are located, and they encircle, they surround the cyton, means cell body of a mostly pseudo stratified neuron. Pseudo unipolar neuron. Okay, means cyton means cell body of pseudo unipolar neuron encircled by, covered by these flat small cells called satellite cells. Okay, satellite cells are small and flattened cells found around the cyton, means cell body of the neurons of ganglia of PNS, peripheral nervous system, and ANS means autonomic nervous system. This is the cyton, blue in color, and around which some satellite cells are adhered from externally to the cyton of pseudo unipolar neuron. Okay, and in this way these satellite cells play important role in supportive function to the neurons. They support the functions of neuron. Okay, and location, they are located around the cytons of PNS, peripheral nervous system, as well as ANS, means the sympathetic and parasympathetic ganglia of the autonomic nervous system, where the satellite cells found around the cytons of the cells of ganglia. Okay, and they support the function of the neurons of that ganglia. Okay, this is all about different types of neuroglial cells. First type is oligodendrocytes, second type microglia or macrophages, third is astrocytes, fourth ependymal cells, all four located in only CNS. Then later on, these are the two cells found in PNS, and here Schwann cells located in PNS and absent in ANS as well as CNS, but satellite cell present in both PNS, peripheral nervous system, as well as autonomic nervous system, means sympathetic and parasympathetic ganglia. Okay, friends, if you like this video, please share to your friends, and if not subscribed at this channel, my channel, that is Scholars Point, please subscribe and comment if you have any question or query. Thanks for watching my video.